Try it. You can't make yourself laugh. But the moment someone else does, you lose control. Your brain is hiding something from you. Deep inside, the cerebellum predicts your own movements. It sends predictions ahead to cancel expected sensations. Self-generated, filtered, external touch, fully perceived. Why can't we tickle ourselves? The answer lies in prediction. Your brain predicts its own actions and filters out expected sensations.